To another video. Today we have the quarter one or the quarter two. It says there, according to the picture, quarter two DeWalt deals, buy one get one free. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. This is the way YouTubers their platform by subscribers and likes. Big shout out to Joe the Tool Guy. He posted this first. I believe he posted it yesterday. Guys, these are the promos, or the new promos that they're supposed to have out already. Alright, so we got Stanley Black & Decker Q2 21, so quarter 2 2021. I don't know what the rest of the stuff means. You got retail setup instructions. It says place display in required location, cut, stretch, wrap, discard, remove shipping. So basically it's the instructions for these setups. There's two different ones, as you guys see here. Well, not two different ones, but two different sections here. This one does go on top of this one. If you guys see what this one says, it says DeWalt, buy this DeWalt. Seems like a battery pack, maybe a 2 amp hour battery pack, I can't see, and a charger for $99, and you get one of these free. So you get one of the bottom ones for free. So it looks like you got a drywall screw gun, you got a sander, and maybe an angle grinder. I can't see what the other ones are. It says you got a date here. It says 3/24/21. So this was already supposed to be out or on the process. Who knows where these tools are? Maybe they're stuck in the container that went down the ship in the ocean, or I don't know. Maybe they're just stuck on the border trying to get not on the border, but on the ship, still trying to get into the United States. It says further assistance call. Okay, so guys, yeah, so some of the tools, it says here to the left, some of the tools we got, maybe it's not an angle grinder, maybe it's an oscillating tool. So yeah, it does look like it's an oscillating tool. It looks like from here to the left, oscillating tool, and then you got a sander, a drywall screw gun, an atomic impact driver. Yeah, that's what it looks like it is. So, and then you got a toolkit here to the top to the left. That's all I see. Everything else seems to be a little blurry. Anyways, just wanted to share this with you guys. Like I said, big shout out to my man Joe the Tool Guy for posting this first. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform by subscribers and likes. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.